Hello YouTube, my name is Jonah and thanks for joining us in today's episode. So today we're going to find out if this small portable outdoor shower heater can heat up this pool, which is a 16 by 32 feet with a deep end. And I will leave a link to my last video of this Gasland outdoor propane tank water heater in my unboxing channel. And if you like this video and find it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Just to let you know, the size of the pool is 16 feet by 32 feet with a deep end, which is 87,000 liters or 23,000 gallons of water. I'm just scouting out a good location to install this propane water heater. It will be at the side of the pump house right here. So I'll measure out the 3 holes where the bolts are going to sit on.
5 and 7/8 center to center, and then about just under 3 inches in the middle.
And I'll use these extra screws which I used for my previous project to bolt it down. Then I'll cut out 2 2x4s about the width of the water tank. I'll use these 2x4s for my backing for the hot water tank because I don't want the hot water tank to sit flush against the wall, since the water tank might get too hot and I don't want it to melt the vinyl siding. Then I'll pre-drill the 3 holes to screw into the wall. Then I install the 2 screws the hot water tank will hang on to. Then I'll install my second wood at the bottom for the bottom part of the hot water tank. Alright then, time to hang the hot water tank. Then screw on the bottom part of the hot water tank, right after I pre-drilled the 2 holes. Also went to Home Depot and picked up this 5/8 female adapter. And so I cut out 2 12-foot hoses that I don't use anymore, and I'm going to use that for today's hot water tank test. And these are 5/8 inch diameter. Alright, time to put our 5/8 inch adapter into one end of our hose. Now push the clamp closer to the end of the mouth of the hose and tighten it up with your screwdriver. Then install it into your pump. And you can check out information about this pump with my link at the end of this video. And we'll take our water inlet connection and put a gasket in and install it into our hot water tank. Just to let you know, this part is included with the tank.
Make sure it's fitted. See it properly. Okay, let's put it in there.
Okay, this is our inlet, water inlet. So this is gonna go here. And the other end of the hose fits perfectly in the spot. Now we'll take the water outlet adapter and put it in like so.
Put the black gasket in there so it sits properly. I'm going to put it in the water tank now.
And this is our hot water outlet. At Home Depot, we also picked up this 5/8 male adapter. And we installed that in our second hose. And we install it using the gasket. Now time to install our propane tank. Then we install our 2 D batteries, keeping an eye which one is the positive end and the negative end. Alright, time to open up the solar cover and check the temperature of the pool. Okay, let's get the temperature of the water. Come on. The temperature is upside down. I've got 64, 62, 64.
62.
Between 64, 65.
62.
Right.
It's only 62.
64.
No, it's not.
Right now the button is on the off position. It's on the off position right now, so it's good.
Okay.
Okay.
It said turn, set water control knob
Okay.
on blue, mark to 2.
Okay, to the left, all the way to the left. Okay, that's good.
Left.
All right.
Okay. Set the gas control knob, red mark to 1 flame.
One flame.
Okay. Set the burning power switch knob to the red position.
Okay, it's in red.
Okay.
That's in red position right now. All right, let's open it up. Open. Boom. Okay. Okay, time to put the other end of the hose and the pump in the water and plug in the pump. And turn on the water tank. On. Click, 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 click. There it is. It's on. The heater's on now. Right now the temperature. And notice the temperature start to rise. The temperature is 27. 27. See it?
Yeah, 27.
27.
Should be 28.
Celsius. Okay. It's blinking. There it is. 27. Okay. Let's see. Now I want to see. Check it out. See the water. Oh, the water's quite slow.
Is it hot water? Doesn't feel hot. No, it's cold water.
Got to give it some time. We just plugged it in. Double heat flame to adjust it. Now it's going to temperature. It's going to be 31. There's water flow, so I'm going to put the water flow in. Still at 31. Oh yeah, it's warm. The water temperature is quite warm now. And I don't know how long it's going to take to fill the pool, warm the pool. We'll see. It's almost 5:45. And temperature, it's still at 64. That's 64, so we'll see how far it gets warmed up. So after a couple hours, the pool was heating up, but we got as high as 31 Celsius, but the pool temperature never really got higher than 68 Fahrenheit. So we noticed almost every 25 minutes, the pump would shut off and the temperature would drop down and we had to start it up again. So we shut off the hot water tank and put the solar blanket on to keep the temperature of the pool at around 68. So the next day, we were still able to keep the temperature at 68, which was not bad, but still not the best. We had the hot water tank as high as 37 Celsius, and the propane tank was half empty. So I took my laser thermometer and were able to get the temperature of the water coming out between 91 Fahrenheit to 96 Fahrenheit. Because the water volume of the pool at 87,000 liters was just too big for the tank to heat up, the best we can do is 4 to 5 degrees higher. So I think this would work on a much smaller scale or a smaller pool, but not with a pool this size. But this was a fun project. So if you find my video interesting and entertaining, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Also stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to try solar heating this pool. Stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching.